Giving your child back to God is a confirmation of your love to God. Ang ginagawa po nilang ito ay pinagtitibay nila, pinapatunayan nila na mahal nila ang Diyos.
Ayan, si Chichi, blessing sa amin ni God yan. Kasi 13 years na kami ni Brian na nagsasama. And ngayon napag-decidean din namin ng baby. So yun, binigay sa amin ni God na napaka-cute na baby.
It's better than we planned it. This rising sun was meant for you and I.
Talagang tinuturing kong blessing si Chichi kasi anak mo yun eh. Walang ibang makakapalit doon. Marami kang pera, marami kang pag-aari, pero yung anak mo hindi mapapalitan yun. Kaya para sa akin, isa siyang anghel.
We feel it now.
Sabi po, when you give your child to God, you are openly declaring that this child is a gift from God. Amen? Alam natin na ang batang si Chichi ay regalo sa inyo ng Diyos.
Happy christening. Welcome to the Christian world. Wish namin ng lolo mo na lumaki ka, na maging maka-Diyos at may pagmamahal. Ganon din masunurit bilang anak sa kanyang magulang.
As we dedicate her today, tulungan mo po ang batang ito na hawakan, patnubayan ang kanyang buhay. Salamat po, Lord, that she is a gift from you. Dalahin ko po, Lord, na patuloy niyo po siyang iingatan, ilalayo sa anumang sakit at karamdaman.
In these moments playing out. We see it now. The storm.
Mula nung dumating ka sa mundo, lagi namin pinagpipray araw-araw, gabi-gabi na lagi kang gabayan ni Lord. Kasi hindi habang buhay, nandito kami. Nakakalungkot man, pero yun talaga yung totoo, nak. Hindi man tayo perfecto, lalo na si Papa, hindi man perfecto si Papa. Pero nak, ito na yung mapapayo ko sa'yo, nak. Sundin mo lang kung ano yung inuutos ni Lord. At yun ang magiging gabay mo habang buhay.
You and me. Chasing down forever after. Forever after. Chasing down forever after.
Ladies and gentlemen, the proud parents of our newly dedicated baby, Chichi, Sir Brian and Ma'am Maylene.
Hello, Ching Ching! This is Ninang Danica. Wish ko lang sa'yo, paglaki mo, maging mabuti at malusog kang bata.
Ako to si Ninong Carlo. Maging mabuti kang bata. Ayan, tas syempre follow kay Lord paglaki.
So magpakilala mo na tayo individually. You first, since you're on the right side. This one is on the bad side kasi.
Can't stop, won't stop. We can't stop, won't stop. We're poppies of scenery, scenery. Top model, genuine masterpiece. We're next level dreaming, dreaming. It's hard to say.
Welcome to the Christian world, Chichi!
Welcome to the Christian world, Chichi! We love you!